Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to share with you the cards I created for a swap I did last month that I asked Julie Tillman permission to use one of her Mojo Monday sketches, and so we all used sketch 543 from Mojo Monday and created our cards for our partners. I thought it was just kind of fun to see all the different versions of the same sketch. I had originally only had one partner, but then someone had some life issues come up, so I went ahead and made two cards, and I had so much fun using this sketch, which I will put on the screen now. And everything is in the description box below of things that are still available. I am making this a month ahead of time, this video, before it's public, goes live. So if they're not in stock anymore, I apologize. I wanted to get it made before I mail them to my partners. Anyways, I used the fun Summer Donuts paper pad from Not Too Shabby. Such a fun paper pad. And then I used the One-of-a-Kind Friend from My Favorite Things. This set just cracks me up. The unicorns are just having the best fun. Having so much fun, enjoying life, and the sentiments are fun. So those were the two things that I did use. I guess I did use some glitter dots from Gina Marie Designs, but I didn't get those out. So here is my first card. I love that unicorn on that donut, and it just goes with the paper and is so fun. I did put glossy accents on the donut, so it would be nice and fun. And then I did use some embossing folders, which I guess I forgot to grab out too. Sorry about that. I'm sure that they are probably expired. They were not expired, retired. They were Stampin' Up ones. But so fun. And on the inside, I put never stop believing in yourself. So there was the first one. And then the second one, I love the summertime feel with those like pineapple donuts, and so I went with the pink. There's the flamingo, and again I did that glossy accent on there just to add some dimension and make it look a little bit more realistic. And then this one is You Are Straight Up Magic. So there are the two cards that I created for the swap. Again, it was using Mojo Monday Sketch 543, and I did get permission from Julie Tillman, who is the original creator of Mojo Monday, to use her sketch. I love her sketches. I don't know, they're just kind of my style, I guess. I really like them. Anyways, there's my cards for today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. See you soon. Bye.